wanna make breakfast for Mas.
Mas.
Chop.
This is what again?
Oh wow!
What is this?
Tempeh.
Tempeh.
It's a traditional food from Indonesia.
Is the peanut?
Yeah.
Oh. And then this more.
You know
spice
tofu?
Oh,
This is some ingredients with tofu.
Oh, I like it.
But tofu make it smooth.
Smooth. This one is like beans, right?
Yeah, it's a beans.
Okay.
Indonesia has so many variant of tempeh.
Tell me to stop.
Stop. Oh my god.
Yes, good.
Okay.
Then why are we making the not yet. It's gonna be harder, yeah. And make the sauce.
The sauce is simple. Oh.
You scared?
Good or?
Okay, good. Okay. Yeah.
Not too much, I think. Still.
Smell nice.
So yummy. So yummy.
Yeah.
Yummy.
So,
Okay, pink first. Hot. It's really good. Good.
okay. Yeah, your
Let
turn.
me try.
Okay.
Nice.
Good. No, it's a
Oh my god.
Let me make it pretty, guys, with bawang goreng.
What is this? Rongrang? What did you say?
Union.
Oh.
Bawang goreng.
Bawang goreng.
Bawang goreng.
Bawang goreng.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, now.
Now